This is an Ellis Mowers and More product review. Interested in buying this product? The link is in the description below. Have a product inquiry or a home, garden, or automotive product or tool to review? Email me, ellis@ellismowers.com, or reach out on Instagram and Facebook at Ellis Mowers and More. And as always, like and subscribe for more product reviews and small engine content. On today's product review, we're looking at this product from Sailnovo. This is a rooftop cargo carrier bag, 20 cubic feet, so very large. This one has a little bit more of a round look to it, a little bit more aerodynamic. So what we'll do, we'll get everything out of the bag here. I'll show you all the parts and everything associated with it that you'll need. You can put it on any sort of roof with or without a roof rack. I've already done a demonstration of that before. What I'm going to do with this one is just kind of show you how you can set it up in your truck bed potentially in order to use it there as opposed to on the roof. I'll still show you how to strap everything down though, how much capacity it's going to hold, and all those other fine details if you are going to mount this on your roof. So let me get all the parts out and we'll do that next. So you can see the sheer size of this bag here, and very, very large, just letting it sit flat on the ground. What this does come with are an array of straps right here. Comes with that mat that goes on the bottom of your, or goes on the top of, or goes between your car roof and this to keep the scratches and things along those lines off of the roof of your vehicle. And then you have your straps that you strap around the roof rack. Again, this is ideal if you have one of those roof racks that goes alongside the side of your vehicle instead of across. It is a little bit challenging to do the ones that are across, but this will work just fine. Again, it's going to have that more aerodynamic look whenever we put it on top of the vehicle. So I'm going to just show you all how this is going to work here, and we'll put the suitcases and all that stuff. This should hold a lot of items in this bag. They do recommend that you do this in full, like you need to fill the bag up so that it doesn't like flap around and things along those lines. So remember to do that and you should be good. So let's go ahead and show you a demonstration. Guys, I'm going to give you an aerial view of how to set this up. I'm going to set this up in the truck bed just so you can see better from a top view how this works. So I started by just putting this mat down, and then the bag is back here. Which I have already taken the Velcro off and unzipped. Now the portion of the bag that does not have the zipper on it is the one that's supposed to go on the front here. So what you can do is fold the bag over now, grab the suitcases and everything that you want here. Still them in. And we should be able to fit some more on top. So there's 4 suitcases right there, so that's really good. And then you just zip it back up. Well, maybe. I'll finish zipping off camera. The zipper is a little tough, probably because of the weatherproofness of the bag. I'll zip that back up. I'll just kind of show you what it looks like from the top view here in the truck bed, and also from the side view. Once you get a lot of weight in this bag, you probably don't have to strap it down very much either if you have it in this application. And just to give you an idea, those 2 carry-on suitcases and those 2 big suitcases still don't fill this bag up. So you can fit more stuff in. It's actually recommended that you do. Now in this truck bed, I just put 4 straps, 4 bungees on the outside. Obviously you can tighten them better, do them a little bit better than what I have, than just mocking them up right here. But it looks good overall. And look, y'all, you might have a truck like mine to where you work out of it and need the whole bed and don't want to have a tonneau cover or any sort of like roll-up cover for it, but you still may need to transport stuff that is and still need to be waterproof. This right here will do it. So I zipped everything up, I velcroed it, and then strapped all the buckles together here. And once you have this thing weighed down, it's not, I mean, even with empty suitcases, it's not going to go anywhere in the back of the truck with the air turbulence and things along those lines. With the aerodynamics of the truck, don't get a lot of wind turbulence back here. This is a perfect alternative to any sort of tonneau cover or something that you may have on your truck. Now this is a 6.5 foot bed here. A lot of newer trucks are only 5.5 feet or so. This will fit just fine in the back of that. Remember, just have the zipper portion, even if you're carrying it back here or on top of your vehicle, I think the zipper portion needs to be on the back despite the logo showing on the rear. So just remember that as well. I will show y'all a demonstration on top of the truck here just to show y'all that you can strap this down without a roof rack with the provided hardware that they give you. Alright, there it is on top of the truck. So the truck obviously does not have a roof rack on top. So I just laid the mat down, and what else I did, because it does not have the roof rack, is it comes with these loop things. Now these loop clips, they clip. You have to pull back your weather stripping on your vehicle and clip them in behind that, because there's a little area right there. You have to clip them behind that, put your weather stripping back up. It may not fit correctly, but this truck's over 25 years old now. And then you just close the door, and that's how you secure the bag. Now, again, we have the side that does not have the zipper facing the front. We have 4 suitcases on top of this. You just have to be mindful of your height restrictions and things along those lines. You don't want to be too tall or have a bag that weighs too much for the vehicle that you're carrying it with. So yeah, just showing you on the other side here too. Just remember, you know, tighten your straps down. I couldn't get that back strap on because I don't have a door on this side of the truck. But for all intents and purposes, this is how you put it on top of your vehicle. And you wouldn't use them loop clips there. If you have a roof rack, you would just circle that strap around the roof rack and tighten it down that way. And it's a little bit more secure that way. But if you don't have a roof rack on your vehicle and want to carry something on top of it, you can do it with this as well. Again, it holds a lot of stuff. You're supposed to pack it full for so it doesn't flap around, and so it has the best, I guess, aerodynamic capabilities as well. But you can put it, like I said, either on a roof rack or not a roof rack with all the provided items that they give you. So that's pretty much everything on this Sailnovo 20 cubic foot cargo carrier bag. They make smaller ones. They have one with 15 cubic feet as well. Just kind of depends on your needs. Also the size of your vehicle. These are going to be for larger vehicles. If you have a smaller vehicle, probably like a sedan or a small SUV, you probably want to get the smaller one. You want to make sure that you're in compliance with your height and weight restrictions for your vehicle and for federal guidelines on the road. And you also want, again, to make sure that you don't have it weighed down too much for your car. Even if it is weight-wise okay, you just have to remember that your driving dynamics are going to be a lot different with this on the top, because you've added a couple of feet worth of resistance to it, and also the weight on top. If you already are driving an SUV or a truck, it's going to make your vehicle even more top heavy. So you just have to remember to be cautious whenever you're driving with one of these. I know a lot of people get out on the interstate and do long road trips. Just make sure that it's nice and secure for you whenever you get out on the road, and that you're following all the guidelines and just staying safe with it. That's a great alternative, again, for the truck bed or for the roof of your vehicle if you need to carry some more stuff that you can't quite get inside your vehicle for those trips or for whatever journey that you might take. Thank you again for watching this product review. Hopefully you found it helpful with this Sailnovo waterproof rooftop cargo carrier bag, and I'll catch you on the next one.